everyone. In this video, we will learn about India's mountains, plateaus and coastal plains. Karakoram Range. The highest peak is Mount K2 or Godwin Austen, that is located in the Karakoram Ranges. The next one is Ladakh Range and the next one is Zanskar Range. And then this range is Kailas Range. These are all the ranges located in the Himalayan mountain. Rajasthan, the range is called as Aravalli Ranges. Vindhya Ranges and then Satpura Ranges. Vindhya Ranges, its origin for river Narmada, and then Satpura Ranges, it's the origin of river Tagdi. West side, Western Ghats. Western Ghats are the continuous in nature. East side, that is called it as Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats are discontinuous in nature. These Eastern Ghats are dissected in many of the places because of the river flowing. Most of the rivers originated in Western Ghats, especially river Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari. The 23 1/2 degree of Tropic of Cancer, that's unequally divided India. That's we have a plateaus. This plateau is called as a Malwa Plateau. And then Bundelkhand, and then Bahalkhand, and then Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, there is a rich in the mineral resources in India. The South Indian Plateau, that is called it as a Deccan Plateau. That is called it as a Deccan Plateau. And then Meghalaya, we have a Silang Plateau, that is the world heaviest rainfall region. The West Coastal Plains, that was started from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. The West Coastal Plains are started from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. It was broad, but at the end it's a very narrow. The West Coastal Plains can be divided into two. At the top we have a Konkan coast and then bottom we have a Malabar coast. And then this place, the coast is called as a Karnataka coast. East coastal plains are broad in nature. It was started from Calcutta, that's West Bengal, to at the end Kanyakumari. Tamil Nadu, that coast is called as a Coromandel coast. And then Orissa, this coast is called as a Northern Circus. West coastals having a lagoons and backwaters. East coast regions are having a lakes. This lake is called as a Chilka Lake. This lake is called as a Pulicat Lake. Gulfs in India. This gulf is called as a Gulf of Kutch. This gulf is called as a Gulf of Hambat. This gulf is called it as a Gulf of Mannar. The metropolitan cities in India. India and its capital is Delhi, Mumbai. Delhi, it's also marked for international airport. Mumbai, the Manchester of India. There is a Mumbai in and around. There is a lot of the cotton mills are there. And then Chennai. Chennai is also called it as a Detroit of Asia because most of the automobiles located in this place. And then Calcutta. Calcutta, it's very important. That's a place we have a jute production area. Chennai, we also be marked for international airport. This island is called it as a Andaman Nicobar Island. and this island is called it as a Lakshadweep Island. These two islands belonging to India. Thank you.